Hello students, in our previous videos you have been taught about point, rays, line segment and line. In this video I'll be teaching you about certain other things. The first one among them is plane. What is plane? Plane is a smooth flat surface. This is the flat surface which extends endlessly in all directions. When a flat surface is extending endlessly in all the directions, that is called plane. कोई भी चीज प्लेन सरफेस है, अगर कोई भी प्लेन सरफेस है, वो चारों तरफ से हर दिशा में उसको हम बढ़ा दिए एंडलेसली, पता नहीं कहां तक गया, वो इनफाइनाइट तक चला गया. That is called a plane. This whiteboard is a part of the plane. Why this whiteboard is a part of a plane? Because this has not been extended endlessly. ये कहां तक? We know the extension of this one. We know the boundary of this one. So it's a part of the plane. This is a smooth surface, but we know the boundary of this. In plane, you don't know the boundary. It is extended endlessly. When a smooth surface whose all sides are extended endlessly, that is called a plane. This is the part of a plane. This is the part of a plane. This is the part of a plane. Next one is intersecting lines. When two lines, one line is AB, another line is CD. When two lines, what are the name of those two lines? AB and CD are having one common point, O. When AB and CD are when there are two lines and they are having one common point. So first line is intersecting line of another, and second line is intersecting line of the first one. Next, concurrent lines. When three or more lines, at least three lines, when three or more lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there has to be at least three lines. When three or more lines are intersecting each other at one point, each one of them are concurrent to each other. Each one of them are concurrent to each other. Next, collinear points. When 3 points, at least 3 points, minimum 3 points, are on a straight line. When at least 3 points are on a straight line, it can be more than 3. It can be more than 3, it can be 4, it can be infinite, it can be 10,000, infinite. When at least 3 points are on a straight line, these 3 points are called collinear points. If these are the 2 points and another one is, third point is here. So this you can't make it in a straight line. You are turning it. So these 3 points are what? They are non-collinear points because these 3 points are not joining together in a single line. Parallel lines. When 2 or more lines are maintaining, these are the 2 lines, are maintaining equal distances throughout. They are maintaining equal distances throughout. Then these 2 lines are called parallel lines. At least 2 lines has to be there. When 2 lines are maintaining equal distances, then those 2 lines are parallel to each other. Look at this. This is a line and this is another line. This line is parallel to this one because they are maintaining equal distances. Likewise, this line is parallel to this line. They are maintaining equal distances. Look at this one. This line is parallel to this line because they are maintaining equal distances. There are certain figures. This is one figure. This is another one. This is another one. Name it. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. You name it. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Name the lines of or sides of number 1 figure. This is looking like a triangle. This is looking like a triangle. So this is made up of 3 sides. This triangle is made up of 3 sides, A, B and C. This is one side, this is another side, this is another. You have to name the sides. Remember, a side is made up of 2 points. So if I am naming this side, so you tell me what are the 2 points which made this line. This line is made by A and B points. So if you look from this side, so AB is a side. AB is a side. If you are looking from this side, AB is a side. This side is made up of 2 points A and B. If you are looking from this side, then you can write like this BA. If you are looking from AB and BA, both are same. If you are looking at this side, so what are the 2 points? B and C. So B and C makes one side, BC. Looking from this side. If you will be looking from that side, then it will be CB. CB. Both are same. If you are saying BC or if you are saying CB, both are same. It depends upon how you look at it. If you are talking about this side, then what are the 2 points? Right. One is A, another is C. This side is made up of 2 points, A and C. So what are the sides? AC. If you are looking from this side, from top if you are looking, then AC. Or if you are looking from bottom, then it is CA. In this case, what are the 2 sides? These are the 2 sides. This side is made up of which 2 points? X, Y, X and Y. If you will be looking from top, if you will be looking from bottom, then it will be what? YX. It will be YX. And what about this side? Right, this side is made up of these 2 points. What are those 2 points? Y and Z. So YZ. If you will be looking from this side, then it will be ZY. What about this? How many sides are there in third figure? Right, 1 and 2. 2 sides are there. So if I will be talking about this side, so this side is made up of which 2 points? M and N. MN. This side is, if you will be looking from top, then it is made up of, this side is made up of MN. If you will be looking from bottom, then this side is made up of N and M. Both of them are same. Both of them are same. MN, if you will be saying MN or NM, whatever you say, that is the same thing. Look at this one. NO. ON. From this side NO, from this side ON. Both of them will be same. Look at this figure. This looks like a pentagon. Pentagon means an area covered by 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. So what are those 5 sides? Name it. First, anti-clockwise I am going. If I be picking up P, then P and Q are the 2 points which made this side. So PQ. First side is PQ. If you will be looking from this, if you will be looking from this side, then it will be QP. PQ and QP are same. Number 1 side. Number 2, this. Which are the 2 points? Q and R. So QR. If you will be looking from this side, from top, from bottom you will be looking, then it is RQ. Which one is the third side? First side you said, second side you said, now third side. This side. This side is made up of which 2 points? R and S. So RS. If you will be going right hand side, then if you will be coming left hand side, then it will be SR. Third side. What about fourth side? This fourth side is made up of S and T. ST. If you will be looking from bottom, if you will be looking from top, then it is TS. Both of them are same. Then the last one is, fifth side is T and P. T and P are 2 points, TP or PT. These are the things you come to know. So in this video, what you have learned? You have learned about plane, concurrent line, collinear points, intersecting lines, parallel lines, and how you will be naming the different sides. I hope you have understood everything. If you are having any problem, write in the comment box. I'll be letting you know. Thank you.